Hey guys, welcome to Stock Sniper Trading. It's your boy Ronnie. It's New York session, 8 a.m. Just getting into it. And we're going to get started, guys. So, welcome everybody. Good morning, good evening, wherever you guys are around the world. And let's get into this, guys. Gold is making a bullish move right now at the start of 8 a.m. We got a big bullish candle right now. Let's get into charting it. And we'll get started, guys. Okay, so that's the close of the first 5 minute candle, 8 to 8:05 a.m., and now it's going red. But we need to chart this, okay? We're not just going to jump in and just start trading. So let's go really quick. Yesterday, guys, there was a big day on the markets. Right after we ended our call, approximately 8:30 a.m., there was big moves. US30 dropped, gold dropped, Bitcoin had a big drop. There was a lot of bearish action in the markets yesterday. You can see gold right here. This was yesterday's daily candle. Very bearish. Okay, so let's get some zones here and some support and resistance areas on the daily. Okay, so we're always going to have 1834 as our resistance. Okay, we're going to use that going forward. That's our weekly resistance. We cannot seem to break above that, so that's going to go forward until we get up there and attempt to break that. Yesterday's low, we got down to about 1791. And today's daily candle tried to break 1791, but it's turning bullish a little bit. Okay, so that was 1790 support. We had 1791 on the daily. If it breaks 1791.90 area, we could be heading down to 1785 approximately on the daily right there. We break that, we could be going down to 1780, guys. Okay, so it's good to keep these in mind just in case it continues to go bearish today, because this green candle could come up a little bit, start to get rejected on the daily, and then start coming down. We'll see how gold moves today. Okay, and next areas that it wants to possibly hit for resistance is 1800. Okay, psychological 1800, and then 1801. Okay, and then if we break above 1801, 1809 is the area where this whole break started yesterday. Once we broke 1809, that's where that dump happened right there. It lost all of that daily support right there. So we're going to try and attempt to get now back up there. This is seen as resistance now, okay? And then back up to 1818. So those are good enough levels for me for the daily. So what I can see is we were in a nice steady uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows on gold. As soon as we got up to here, 1834 area, rejected. It got rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. This is a big supply zone on the daily, 1834. Then we had selling pressure increase, and we had gold dump all the way down to where it is still making a higher low on the daily from down here, from 1780. Okay, if we lose 1780, then gold will reverse, and it could be coming back down to 1760, possibly even 1750, depending on today's daily candle. Let's see if we can hold. Right now it is holding some support. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is move to my hourly candles. Okay, so these are the hourly candles. Now you can see the big breakdown when it started yesterday. You can start to see the breakdown at 1834, came down, it made a lower low, it swing high, which was a lower high up here. Okay, so then around 1827, you can start to see it start coming down bearish. Okay, it's getting rejected at these hourly levels. Here's your downtrend coming, making these lower lows. It got held up here at 1809. This is when we were trading it yesterday from, we started the call early because of school. We started 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, and you see right here coming into 9, and then the 10 a.m. candle. Big drop right there. Okay, so congratulations to those guys that got it yesterday. Um, After a little bit of consolidation right here, it dumped. Okay, so how low are we? Did we go down to? So this is where gold is trading now on the hourly. We do got some support right here at 1793 on the hour before we come down to our next daily support level. So we're holding right here, 1793 area. We're about to possibly break 1800 up here. Okay, so when we break 1800, where could it go to? It could possibly go to 1804. Okay, and then from 1804 we could get up to 1808. Okay, and it's making a nice little pattern coming down. There's our neckline coming down again. We got a higher low, rejected again. So this is the fourth attempt now to try and break up here. Let's see. And then the hourly is getting up to the 50 RSI to see if we can break the psychological midpoint on RSI. Okay, so now if I flip to the 5 minutes, yes, we do have a bullish 1 hour candle, and we can see it right now through these 5-minute candles. They just opened up 10 minutes ago. Okay, so we are trading now the 8 a.m. hourly candle. 5-minute candles, if we can break above there, we could get up to here, 1802.73. Yeah, and I'm just identifying some zones in case we get rejected. We could come back down. Okay, guys, and I'm on gold on the 5 minutes right now, XAU USD, and my charting platform is TradingView that I use. Okay, and welcome everybody. I'll get to the chat in one moment. I'm just charting this. So you can see there we do have some nice support at 1797. We got some support here at 1799, and we're trying to push and break this daily resistance. Last time we've been rejected up there. We got rejected up here during London, 3:30 a.m. We've made an attempt to get up there and got rejected, and now we could be making another attempt to try and break above there. Thank you to everybody joining. Appreciate you guys. Wow, almost 100 viewers, guys. If I can get you guys to like the channel, I'd really appreciate that. It helps with trending. It helps other traders who are searching for free education, for live trading, for anything like that. It puts it, YouTube can start putting it in playlists and things like that, and start recommending it to people that are interested in this. So the likes really do help, guys. Okay, so I'm watching up here to see if we can break up here, 1801 break. Okay, and then we're looking to see if it can break and close with a little bit of volume up there. Okay, and then maybe we can push up to 1802.70 up here, our next area. And we also have 1802 right there. See, I look left, previous price action is what I do. Okay, there's our impulse break. Okay, so there's your impulse break. I haven't taken a trade yet. So to everyone asking, are you trading? I have not taken a trade yet. No. This is an impulse break up here. Okay, so it broke and there it hit just 1802. Next area it could possibly come up to is right up here, 1802.76. Okay, I want to see if this thing can actually close with the volume up there, and to see if this is going to be an actual possible gold reversal up here. Okay, first time that we're breaking above this area, 1801, in a very, very long time. Okay, so there's a minute 25 left on this candle. This is the initial impulse break, guys, and if you want to trade impulse candles, you're more than welcome to. But just understand how to trade them, how to scale out of them, because it could easily go up, it could get rejected and come right back down into this area. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the stream, everybody on here. I can see Doug, I can see Enkid. If I miss anybody, I apologize. I'm just looking at the chat right now. Connor, welcome. Um, Abdulaziz, uh, sorry that it's a bad day for you, but hopefully we can correct that on this call. Um, Sam, how was my daughter's first day of school? It was tough. She didn't want to go. She was crying. It was a tough day. I got a couple calls from the teacher yesterday. It wasn't the best day for her either. Um, Blora, good morning. Eric, good morning. Camp Savage, hello. Yeah, gold is not the easiest thing to trade, Abdulaziz. It's not. It takes time, guys. It takes time. It's a volatile pair. It takes time, guys. It takes time, but you will learn over time. You will learn. Just while you're learning, just don't over leverage your account. Don't do crazy lot sizes. Um, that will hurt your account. So if you do take a loss, make sure it's just a minimal loss. You're not risking too much of your account, and you can go from there. So we did break up to there, 1802.22. We have a little bit of a rejection wick, and then now this candle is going down bearish. Okay, so it could possibly retrace back to this consolidation area. This was a consolidation area where it broke down, but at 8 a.m. right, just before the call started, we have that big bullish candle clearing all of that. And then we have a little bit of a continuation. We might start to cool off up here because now this is an important area. This is the yellow line. 1801 is now the daily level, okay? So what was once resistance, it's acting as support now. So we're going to see, can price action hold up here and can gold continue going up, or is it going to start to come down? Is volume going to close below the yellow line and start to come down? Let's see here, okay? So what I could do is, if it does come down bearish, I'm going to look for a possible sell entry underneath the daily support zone and possibly to come down to here and retrace a little bit, okay? So what I'm also looking for is not just an impulse candle coming down, I'm looking for volume to close. This candle to close with volume down, and then I'll be looking for a retest coming back to test this area for resistance. Then hopefully we get that push down and come down to this area. Okay, but I won't be taking the trade until I see it volume close down. If not, gold will stay up here, and then we could look for, maybe we cool off this RSI and then we'll see it rotate and come back up. So now this is the impulse candle coming down. So far it's almost engulfed this entire candle, but we have lots of time. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. It's a lot of time. So what we'll do is, we had two impulse candles, bullish impulse candle and a bearish impulse candle right at this daily area, the yellow line. So let's let the volume do the talking. We'll just wait and see how this candle closes. Janus, hello from Poland, welcome. Hello from Canada over here on our side. Connor, you got split screen. Nice, nice. That's awesome. Ross, welcome back, brother. Welcome back. How do I know that it's an impulse candle? Because impulse candles break out at key areas. Like here was this accumulation distribution area, and then you have a impulse breakout. This was the retest. This here is also an impulse candle coming down because we don't have volume closing yet below the key level. So that's what you can be considered to be an impulse candle. See how it came down? Okay, it came all the way down bearish down here, but then it picked up buyers and came right back up. So guys, if you're trading these types of candles, like that went from 1801 down to 18, almost a 10 pip move. But you see how it quickly came down 10 pips and went right back up. So if you don't know how to trade impulse candles, then it's best to wait for confirmation. So we've got 55 seconds left on the candle now, and you can see the volatility. The last two candles, like it's got large range. They got range. Now the markets are opening up. There's volatility. Before they were just trending like this, ranging, small range. If you see something like this, maybe box it in, trap it, and then wait for the breakdown or the breakout. Okay guys, so 30 seconds left on the candle. Let's watch how it's going to close here. And gold is also above 1800, that psychological point. So just keep that in mind too. Took a while for gold to get back up there. But let's see if it can hold this area, or is it going to retrace. So this now, it got rejected. Do you see how it opened green? Okay, so let me just zoom in. Okay, so it opened green and now it's green. So we don't have there's the nice drop. Okay, big rejection right there. Okay, so see the rejection right there? There it comes down. Now we came down. If we break down here, we could come back into this zone right in here. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so that was the retest candle. Flash green came up, lower high, and came down. But see where it's picking up support down here now. We need to break this area. This is that 1800, guys. 1800 right here, 1799.90. If we can break this area, we could come all the way back down, possibly to 1799. Collect another 10 pips. Okay, so we got to follow the volume. So this wick did come down. It did create a lower low from 1800.12 to 1799.84. It is a lower low, but buyers are still trying to push it up. We got to follow the volume, guys. Okay, so if this volume can close below this key daily resistance area, then maybe we're going to start to come down a little further. But that happened quick, guys. That was quick. Okay, you can see the markets are really moving fast right now. Okay, there we go. So we can get this nice push coming down, and I want to see this come back into this consolidation zone down here, and possibly if it breaks below here, then that big 8 a.m. candle, we could possibly come down, retrace down to that. Hopefully, let's see on a sell here. And guys, after this, I'll do US30 and we'll do a Nasdaq as well. So I'm just looking in the chat. Sorry if I miss you guys. Okay, the chat's moving. I can't see everything. James, thank you for finding the channel. Welcome. Larry, hello. No, Abdul Aziz, you're right. You win and you lose some. You don't always win in the stock market. That's absolutely correct. But just the key is to limit your losses. Limit your losses. Keep your losses small and try and let your winners, your gainers run. So that's basically the secret to the stock market is keep your losses small and let your runners run. Yeah, as simple as it sounds, but it's not it's not as easy as it sounds, but that's basically what it is. Yeah, Connor, the spreads are really good on Fusion. Yeah, you can't complain with the spreads on Fusion. Yeah, Sam, you don't want to do too many trades, because then you're paying your broker commissions and all types of things. So look for quality pips, guys. That's what we tell everybody. Look for the quality pips. Okay, so see now the bearish volume coming down. So let's see if we can break this area right there. There, we tapped it. Okay, so let's look for a break. There we go. Okay, nice push. If we get that break, we could come down to this wick right here, 1799.50 right here, this previous low at 8:05 a.m. right there. If we break there, we could come back down to where this big bullish candle started. But we got 45 seconds left on this candle. It will be really nice if we can close with volume below this key level right here. Okay, so let's watch how it's going to close. Hopefully we can get volume to close below, and then we can maybe get another continuation candle coming down. There we go. Okay, so that's a nice push. Okay, next area that I identified right here, 1799.50. Okay, let's watch that volume, guys. Okay, so we know the wick is making a lower low, okay, but we got to break this low of this previous candle at 8:05 Eastern. Buyers are still pushing it up right to there. So now this candle is going to close. Okay, so it closed right at that key support level. This is another candle where they tried to gap it up, push it up. It got rejected right away up here at 1800.05. Hopefully we can push down now and take out this wick and continue going down. There, that's what we want. Okay. There. Now if it breaks there, it could come down to right here, 1799. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, and then we could come down to, we break there, we're going to come down to here. Okay, right there, 1798.37. There we go. Okay, and guys, I'm in the cell. Okay, for everyone that's asking, are you in the cell? Yes, I'm in the cell. I'll even post. Guys, I pinned in at the top of the chat, there's a free Telegram FX group. If you guys are not in there, I would highly recommend that you guys just get in there. And then we show what we do while we're trading live. Okay, I'm also watching right here. This is a key area, RSI 50 on my chart. It could come down here and find buyers and flip right back up. That's why I always keep an eye on this area. If it's going to break below 50, if it breaks below 50, then we could get some continued bearish momentum. But we're getting buyers, bringing it right back up. So guys, you got to learn how to scale out of these things. You got to learn how to scale. Okay, so there's a lot of time left on this candle, 3 minutes. It came all the way down. It made that lower low down to here, 1798.84. This was the bottom of our consolidation box right here where it was accumulating. So that is a demand zone. There is buyers down there. It came down. We picked up buyers. That's what pushed it back up. But you got to also watch what's going on up here, okay? So this wick up here at 1800.15, it's still lower than our previous candle, so we still have lower highs on the top. And then now we're just watching the volume come back down, okay? The volume is important, guys. Wicks are very, very important as well. They tell you the highs and the lows of the time period you're trading, whatever candlestick time frame you're trading. It could be a 4-hour candle, a daily candle, an hourly candle, 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute. It teaches you where the highs and lows are, and they also represent selling pressure at the top and buying pressure at the bottom and rejections. But ultimately, at the end of the day, the volume is the most important. What's inside this candle? So see how we're coming back down, okay? We're testing this 50, the psychological midpoint of strength and momentum. It's still, buyers are holding it, so it still has strength. But if we can break below there, just like here where it broke below, see the bearish candles come down? It broke below. But at 8 a.m. it came down to 37, and then that's where it found some momentum, and we had this big bullish candle coming. So that is our support on our momentum and strength right here, around 36, 37 area. If we can break 50, we could possibly come down to there. But I'm also respecting the fact that it's holding here where we have buying momentum. Every time we come down there, it's getting rejected. Now it's turning into a bullish pin bar candle. So gold is getting momentum, okay? And we're trading right around that psychological 1800 mark, okay? So it might cool off in this area for a little bit. 1800 is a psychological number, just like 35,000 for US30, 15,000. Like they're big psychological numbers. So prices gravitated towards these areas, and market makers could have a lot of contracts buying and selling at these critical psychological levels. James, the timer is right over here on the candlestick, right at the see here, 25 seconds, right over here, where this green thing XAU USD. There's 20 seconds. There's the timer on TradingView. Okay, so we got about 7 seconds, guys, and look at what the buyers did. It came down here, and the buyers pushed it right back up. The volume is above this critical area, so this we could see a possible reversal unless sellers can push it down with this. Look at this. So this candle is coming down pretty aggressive. We're getting to that 50 again right here. Okay, so let's break that, and we could hopefully come down to here, 1798.40. You guys, 155 viewers. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you guys for coming on here. Whether it's a morning or evening or nighttime, wherever you guys are at around the world, thank you guys. We appreciate you guys. You guys are the helping with the growth of the channel. We're over 3,000 subscribers. Dave and I want to personally thank all of you guys for everybody that's liking the channel, getting good value out of this channel. We appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. Kiminia Christoph, thank you for your I was going to say for your subscription. Thank you. Look at it breaking down. Okay, so guys, we broke right below the 50 now. Okay, so we came down to that area right there. I just highlighted right there, 1798.30. That's another profit take. Another zone I'm targeting is going to be right around here, 1797.60 right there. Let's hopefully we can continue. Now I'm just following the volume. If the volume can close below this accumulation distribution box, then we broke a nice support level. We could continue come down. We could come up with buyers pushing it right back up, but now it may use this area as a resistance now, 1799. Okay, guys. So now we're going to watch. Now if we can continue breaking below this psychological midpoint on RSI, that means we're heading into bearish territory. So we might get more selling pressure coming in. We might get increased sellers coming into the market. But we also got to follow the price action. We got to close below key support levels. That's why I'm watching this volume now. We did create a new lower low coming down to 1798.40. Okay, and we could push down further. Alicia, good morning, welcome. Hopefully you're safe out there. I know it's a mess in America right now. Madcap, 12:30 a.m. Thursday morning for you, fighting your eyelids. Don't overdo it, bro. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. There we go. There's a nice little break, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Okay, do you guys see how price action works? How we're walking it down slowly? Yes, there was a pullback candle, but you're following the volume and the highs or lower highs from the previous candle, and we're continuing to come down and make new lower lows. Okay, so that's how price action works, guys. But it requires patience and discipline. Requires patience and discipline. Okay, so now we're gonna retest the bottom right here, and maybe we can break it and continue coming down. There we go. It's almost 20 pips, guys. Like, this is a nice move, okay? There we go. Boom. See the break? Beautiful. There we go. Okay, so less than 1 minute left on this candle. It will be, okay, what we need out of this is we need it to close below here, 1799. We need it to close below this area with the volume. If we can close below 1798.40 right here, that would be even better. Then we can possibly head down to 1797.60 area right here. We could grab some additional pips down there. There we go, guys. Very nice. There's the break, guys. Okay, so it's coming down to here. Next area, guys, we might reclaim this entire 8 a.m. bullish candle, guys. But if we hold here, this could reverse and come right back up and then feed off of this candle, create a higher low. But remember, I told you, watch the RSI break 50. It's curling. If we could come down and reattempt get down here, the 37, the previous one. Here we go, man. This is really nice, guys. Guys, I'll post my trade. I'm in a trade as well with you guys, okay? I'm in this. I'll post it. Join the free Telegram group so you can see that I'm trading live with you guys. I will show you guys my ticket. I'm just still in the trade, guys. I'm monitoring my trade, if you see what I'm doing. I trade on my mobile, guys. I trade on my mobile. I don't trade on desktop. I've been trading on my phone my entire life. Like back in the day, I used to trade with TD, Advanced Dashboard, trading stocks and things like that. But when I went to Forex, I just trade on my mobile because I trade all over the place. I don't like desktop trading. Okay, so I'm respecting that buyers are going to come in here. I'm going to respect the fact that buyers are going to come in here. But at the end of the day, I'm also watching this bearish volume. Okay, this buyers will come in just like they came in here. They'll come in here. What this could be is a pullback. Okay, it could come up and selling pressure, resistance right here, and again there could be resistance right here where selling pressure could come. RSI could come right back and try to attempt to get above 50, but it could come up here and get rejected. Okay, so guys, if you're in big profits, scale out a little bit. Okay, James, the Telegram link is pinned at the top of the chat. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Thank you for the subscription, Huber. Thank you, bro. We appreciate it. Okay, so see how price action came up to here and it got rejected underneath this key area, and selling pressure is continuing to push it down. So hopefully we can exhaust all of these buyers early into this candle. The first 2 minutes in this 5-minute candle, there was a lot of buying pressure. If we can slowly exhaust these buyers, maybe cool off right around here, consolidate, maybe we'll have momentum to continue to drop and make new lower lows. Koali, the link, guys, listen to what I'm saying. The link for the free Telegram is posted, pinned at the top of the chat, guys. Pay attention. And welcome to everybody that's new here. Welcome. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming, for the subscribes and the likes. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Okay, so we got 1 minute and 49 seconds left on the candle. Okay, I can start to see it's consolidating between this resistance and this support level right in here. But what we're going to do is we're going to remain patient, okay? So what we suggest, guys, if you're new here, always in a trade, if you want, when you go up 10, 20, 25 pips, scale out maybe 70, 80% of your position and leave like a break-even runner with your remaining position, a small amount. That way you can maximize your profits on this. And because we got to respect the fact that buyers could come in and take this right back up. It could be forming a higher low right here. We had a big buyers come in here right here at 8 a.m. at this price, 1797. So we could have increased buyers coming in here. So don't get too greedy, guys. When you go up in profits, especially scalping, scale out a little bit, okay? Because it could easily reverse and come right back up. But if we stay below this zone right here, we could have increased selling pressure. Keep pushing it down, okay? Okay, guys, if you guys don't see the link, I'll post it again at the top of the chat. I'll just, I'm gonna get out of this trade and I'm already scaling out, guys. Okay, so one moment, guys. I'll get you guys that link, okay? Because we're doing live trading here, guys. So, and then from here, guys, I'm gonna chart US30 for us. We'll do US30 and we'll do Nasdaq, and we'll also do one FX pair today. We'll do a currency pair, either GBPUSD or GBPJPY. We'll take a look at that, okay, guys? So we do have bullish momentum now coming up and a continuation bullish candle. So it's going to try for this area, okay? If it starts to come up, guys, that's why I always recommend taking profits, because it could come right back up. But again, it's coming up to this area, the 50 RSI, which was a support level previous, and now it should act as a resistance. If selling pressure can hold this area, then we'll see a rejection like what we're seeing right there. See the wick rejecting. Hopefully we get a bearish candle coming down, forming like a shooting star bearish engulfing candle. Take out all of these buyers and we can continue dropping, okay? So far you see how it's holding resistance right here. Henning, you banked 12 pips. Great, absolutely love it, okay? Bank pips, guys, bank your pips. Pip and dip strategy, guys. Get your pips, dip, get your money, and we'll look for other trades, guys. That's what scalping is. We can look for trades, okay? Riga, yes, I am shorting gold. I'm in the short. I'm in from 1800.40, so I'm up here. I started to short on this red candle coming down. I'll post. I'm gonna post my trade, guys. I'm watching right here to see if we can break right here, okay? If we break this low and then that wick right there, we can make a new lower low. We're gonna see gold drop even further, guys. Okay, do you see what happened in here? We had that bullish pullback. It came, and then I told you guys, watch this area right up here. This is why I highlighted this area as an accumulation distribution area. So this is now a supply area, and we have a nice bearish candle coming down. We've engulfed those. There we go. Okay, so see how we're coming down? All we got to do is break the wick right there, 1797.30, and we're going to possibly come all the way back down to where this whole thing started. Like, do you see that? That could be a full 100% retracement from here where this whole thing started, and we could come down to there. If we break that wick, oh man, gold could fall here, guys. See, it's just there we go. There's the break. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we created a new lower lower low, just a tiny bit, okay? But again, now we follow the volume. We created the lower low, let's follow the volume. What we need out of this red volume is to engulf this green candle and continue to come down. John Mar Paduga, thank you for the subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. What's the yellow line at the top? Good question. The yellow line at the top of my chart right up here, this is daily support and resistance. I use yellow lines for daily support and resistance. I do top-down analysis before I get in scalping. When the white lines are my hourly support and resistance, and then the red lines are just my quick 5-minute price action where I can see that price action just basically hit. That's what my red lines are. Some people say it's a messy chart, you know, it's too busy, but for me, I trade price action to the minute. So I can tell exactly where price is going. I know exactly where I'm taking profits. I know it tells you a lot, guys. Maybe if you're new to price action trading, you're not used to this, but I like to know. I'm trading 5-minute candles. I'm scalping fives. I love to know exactly where the price is. Okay. at the end of the day, it makes sense to me, I've been trading like this for a long time, so maybe your trading makes sense to you, and because it's your trading, your strategy, your style. So everybody trades different. There's not one style that is the right style. Just do whatever you're comfortable with. Personal preference. Thank you for all the subscribes, guys. Appreciate it. Mohammed, what's up, brother? Um, George, I don't use pivot points. I don't need pivot points. I do my own pivot points with price action. I do my own pivot points. But I'm not knocking pivot points. They're great. It's just a tool that I don't use. Okay, so we gotta respect, guys. We also have to respect. We came down to here, okay, 1797.25. We came down again 2 times, double bottom, and I'm respecting this big bullish candle that started this entire run at 8 a.m. just before we started the call. I think we started the call at 8:03, 8:04, 8:05, something. I think we started the call up here. So we missed that bullish candle, but we got to respect the fact that there was a ton of buyers there. Okay, so this is, sellers are trying to push it down. They're trying, but it's getting rejected there, rejected there. So if we can't break a couple more times, then this is where you want to be scaling out, guys. If you haven't scaled out already down here, you want to think about scaling out, because I can see buying momentum coming back, and it could easily come right back up into this area. Okay, so like Henning, how he grabbed 12 pips. If you're up 15, 20, this play from the breakdown up here, from there to there, okay, where we had it, it's a total of almost 40 pips, guys. Okay, so you could have grabbed 10, 20, 30, or max 40 on this play. Okay, and it still could break, guys. Look at it. Still, it came up, got rejected right there. That's why I use these red lines. It was a previous support line, but now it acts as resistance, short term, 5 minutes. And now if we break, guys, all we got to do is just break the low right there, 1797 and a quarter, right there. We're testing it. This is going to be the third time. This is what's called a triple bottom. If we can break there, it's going to come down to 1796.97. Okay, you lose that, and then right here, this is the last candle saving this entire uptrend right there. This will create the new lower low, and gold will drop. This could be a 50 plus pip move. Thank you, guys. Amazing. Lost for line for beginning. Just got 25 pips for US30 thanks to Dave. Amazing. And you got another 25 pips on gold. Amazing. Amazing, bro. 50 pips already. Awesome. Lutu Nadadi, thank you for following. I appreciate you. Thank you, bro. Kukur for life. Take profit now. You can take profit whenever you guys want. I'm not here to tell you guys when to take profit. When you feel it's comfortable for you and your account size to take profits, you're more than welcome to take profits, guys. Do you trade crypto? Yes, absolutely. We love scalping crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We love it. The only thing with that, you have to have a good broker, Libyan, because some brokers have 7 to 10 pip spread on Bitcoin. So it's very difficult to scalp Bitcoin with that type of spread. I use Fusion Markets, and it's about 2.3 pips to scalp Bitcoin. So I have a really good spread with crypto. So you have to look into that with your broker, absolutely. But yes, we do scalp cryptos. Fahad, if you'd like to learn all about scalping Bitcoin, if you're a beginner, you want to learn, you got to learn price action. Join the team. Join the Sniper Mentorship team, guys. For $1 a day, we have tutorials, we have webinars we do weekly, we have live Zoom calls that we do with our snipers. There's a ton. You get real mentorship with myself and Dave. So we'd love to have you on the team. What's my spread on gold? I'm right now live. I'm in the trade, so I just got to go back. I got half a pip, less than half a pip to trade gold right now. Half a pip. That's pretty low, guys. Pretty low. And I have a standard commission fee for a standard lot of $4.50. half a pip right now to scalp gold. That's a really good spread, guys. Arya Stark, thank you for your subscription. Appreciate you. Wow, 235 viewers, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, if I can just get you guys to like the channel, if you guys are getting good value out of this, please help with the growth of the channel. There's a lot of traders like you guys that are looking for free education, for looking for price action, for looking for scalping, for looking for live trading. YouTube will recommend it to people that are looking for this, just like yourself. So Dave and I really appreciate it. We do this for you guys on YouTube, and all we ask in return is a like or a subscribe. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Alejandro, my broker is Fusion Markets, and they're based out of Australia. Fusion Markets, check them out. Guys, thank you for the subscribes. Okay, so we're consolidating right in this range. We're forming a flag in here, and we're still respecting this area of resistance up here at 1799 up here. Miss Tina, thank you for the subscribe. We appreciate you. Look, guys, so this is the free Telegram group, guys. If it's pinned at the top, just click on the link. Here's my trade, guys, to show everybody. Here, I sold here. I sold a standard lot at 1800.38, and I took profits at 1797.35. That was good enough for me. Okay, 30 pips, just over 30 pips. I profited 303 US dollars. There's my ID. And there's my commissions, charges, $4.50 for a standard fee. So for everybody that comes on here and says that I don't trade live, yes, we do trade live, but that's not what we're about. We're not here to just show everybody that we do trade. We like to educate, guys, educate. I don't know why there's some people have a problem with giving free education, but we do trade live. So I got in on my trade at 1800.38. Where did I get in? I started to go on this bearish candle as it was breaking down. It went down pretty quick, but I got in at 18 when it fulfilled my order with the spread right around here. Okay, so that was my sell entry right in there. Okay, let me just bring this forward 1 second. Let me just get rid of this thing. Okay, so I got in here and then I took profits, guys. I could have held a little longer, but I felt there 30 pips for me is great. Okay, 30 pips, and I'll look for another trade. I got out at 1797.35. So 1797.35. I got out on this candle as it was coming down. Okay, right there at the bottom of that wick, as low as it could go, right there. So that's where I exited the trade. Could have milked out a little more on this candle coming down, but I'm not greedy, guys. So that was my entire trade. That was my sell, and that's where I took profit. Yes, it is coming down further, but if it does, I could add another order. I could go in. This one I never left a partial runner because I'm respecting the fact that gold could continue to go up here. I just like that whole number 303, 300, 30 pips. Good enough for me. Okay, what I could have done is taken 80% out and left a 20% runner with a break-even stop loss up here. And if gold wants to continue to run, it will run. But I can scalp the markets. I can come in for another trade. But there it is, guys. For everyone that wants to see if we're trading live, it's right there, guys. Okay, so there's the entry, exit, commission, $300 profit. And congrats to everybody that banked on this play, guys. Okay, so congrats. You guys secure your profits when you want. And I'm going to post, guys, the Telegram link again in the chat, okay? I'll post it one more time so you guys can have that. It's the free Telegram group. 1 second. I'll post it in a moment. Almost 300 viewers, guys. Thank you guys so much. Okay, so it actually broke its own low now. Oh, wow. Maybe I exited too early. I should have held a little longer. But that's trading, guys. It is what it is. I'm happy with $300 at 30 pips scalping. So you can't look back and say, oh, shoulda, woulda, coulda, I could have held. If I tell you all those trades I had, you guys are going to get bored on this call. But if you guys are continuing to hold, I have no problem charting this for you guys and telling you where this could possibly go down to. Okay, next level is right here. Let me just bring that down just down to here. Okay, so we could come down if we get a full retracement. Okay, so far it closed below and could drop even further, guys. Wow. Okay, it could come down to 1796 area down here. Okay, so I just posted in the chat, guys. See, Stock Sniper Trading, there's the free Telegram group. Okay, hopefully that link works. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the comments, guys. Sorry, I haven't looked at everything. No problem, Alejandro. No problem. Broker, same broker, guys. We use the same broker for crypto trading, Fusion Markets. Fusion Markets. They allow crypto trading from Monday to Friday. They don't have trading on weekends. Okay, if you're looking for weekend trading for Bitcoin, you have to find a different broker. Spread on Fusion Markets for BTC is 2.3 pips, 2300, 2.3 pips. Alexander, no, this is not the Fibonacci retracements, but I do use Fibonacci retracements. We actually just did we posted a webinar on YouTube of going over Bollinger Bands and Fibonacci retracements. You guys are welcome to watch that video. Dave, we posted it yesterday, guys. It's a sample of one of our webinars that we do with the snipers, so you guys can see our type of webinars. Do I do account management? No, I don't do account management. I manage my own account. That's good enough. We don't manage people's money. We don't do anything like that. We offer free Forex education. We help with teaching you guys price action and things like that. But we don't manage your money. No. Epic Bubba, my man, made $45 on the drop. Congrats, bro. Good for you. Blessed Rich, you still have not got into a trade? No worries, no worries. If you're not in a trade, don't force trades, okay? Allow trades to come to you. Don't force trades, guys, okay? Bobby, do we do live? Yes, every day. Yes, we do. Can I explain 50 RSI? Absolutely, Eli. So 50 RSI oscillates between 0 and 100, okay? So the reason why I'm a psychological trader, so I like to go off of psychological numbers. 50 is obviously the midpoint of 0 and 100. So that's kind of like where the strength is gravitated to go. It's like a magnet. It wants to go. If it's up here at 60, 70, and then it comes down, it wants to attempt to get back to the midpoint, 50. And if it breaks, then we're going into bearish territory. That's exactly this trade we saw up here. It was up here at 67, 68 on RSI. I could start to see it getting rejected up there. We have a rejection. When I saw this candle break the volume below daily support, that's why I have a yellow line up here. That's where I took my sell entry and I held it. I held it through here and I kept on telling you guys play by play. If we break and we hold lower highs, we're going to break below support, come down. And I was also watching if RSI was going to break below 50, which it did, and then it pulled back. Okay, there's always going to be pullbacks when you're trading. In whatever time frame you're trading, there's always going to be pullbacks. But if they're being held at an area of resistance, a key resistance level, they could come up, get rejected, come up, get rejected. Then you have a big, nice bearish candle coming back down. Again, we have now a green pullback candle, buyers coming in. It could attempt to come up to the 50 RSI again. If sellers can push it down by creating a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and all we got to do is create lower lows, and this will continue this bearish downtrend. Okay, but I use 50 RSI as a psychological midpoint. See how it came up, okay, and then they pinned it down and they're pushing it back down. Now it's turning into like a pin bar candle, so it's coming down. All we got to do is come back down to this area and it could continue to fall. Okay, maybe I exited the trade a little earlier. This could have been possibly $350, close to $400 for me. But at the end of the day, I'm not greedy. I'm not a greedy person. I'm happy with 30 pips on a. This was a counter scalp, okay? Because we had, when the call started, it was very bullish. So you know, I was going to start to exit on this candle, especially on this pullback. But then I waited to see what would happen at this area, and then it started to come up, and then I got happy taking my profits out down there on these bottom wicks. But if I held, yeah, oh yeah, look at it breaking down now, okay? Look at it. So we have, wow, wow, wow. Oh man, guys. See, this hurts, but what can you do? That's trading. But if you're not rapid, quick, what comes down can come right back up real fast. Okay, so at the end of the day, I'm humble, I'm happy. You know, you guys made some profits. Congratulations to everybody. So Eli, hopefully that answers your question about 50 RSI. Alexandra, no worries, no worries. John, thank you, bro. Hunting Jaguar, I just said my spread for gold right now it's at 8.8, less than a pip. Before it was at 0.5, so my spread is always moving, but traditionally I'm under 1 pip spread with Fusion Markets, guys. Okay, yeah, we'll have a broker link tomorrow in the chat for you guys. Okay. Okay, guys, let's move to US30. It's 9 a.m. Let's do US30, guys. Okay, so if you guys want to follow me on the charts, I'm going to US30. This is the 5 minutes. I'm going to get rid of everything on my chart. The only thing I'm going to keep on my chart is RSI. Okay, and what I do is I put a 50 midpoint on RSI. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing what we did with gold. Okay. So 50 gives me my psychological midpoint on gold, or sorry, US30 right there in the middle. These are 5-minute candles. We're going to do top-down analysis. We're going to go move to our daily candles. And yesterday, US30 had a big bearish day, guys. Okay, so let's take a look at it. What happened with US30? Right after we ended our call is when the breakdown happened. Okay. Thank you, guys. 280 viewers. Appreciate all of you guys. Let's try and get to 300 viewers, guys. If I can get you guys to like, and it will really help the channel. Okay, so US30 and Sad, thank you for your subscribe. Appreciate you, bro. Right here. So see all of this resistance. You can clearly see this 35,530 area rejected all day. Okay, so this was yesterday's candle. They gapped it down. Look at the way how they opened it up. Okay. Gap down. Learn what these are. Okay, so this candle on Friday closed up here. Here is then we had the Sunday. Then we had the holiday. The banks were closed, low volume. But then when we opened up Tuesday, yesterday, they gapped it down. Okay, so and then they pushed it down with selling pressure, and we engulfed the previous day's candles at 363. When we took out 363 right there, that support, then it continued to push down. Where did it push down to? Well, we have these wicks now, the lows of previous days, and we took those out. We took all these lows out yesterday. That's why US30 continued to drop. There was our next one, 232, broke. How low can this thing go? We'll follow your price action. Next one is right here, 165, broke. Next area where it could come down to, try and find some support, is right here. 35.88. That's where we are right now. So look what happened. Today, one more extended push down to here. Bottom of this candle, August 20, 2021, right here. That was the low. Look it, 34,905 right there. Where did the wick come down to? Right there. If we continue dropping further today, tomorrow, next week, next area, 34,862 on the daily. Next area could be right here, 34,600 area, okay? Those are all daily zones, guys. That's why they're yellow on my chart when I'm scalping, okay? So I can see daily zones. Look at what happened right here. Now, today, this candle came all the way down here, picked up support at 34,900, and they brought it all the way back up where we're in a bullish spin top candle with some volume right above the key daily level, 35.88. Can we continue coming up, or now is the volume going to continue to dip? And then our next, yesterday's wick, 35,050. Psychological numbers, guys. 35,050 right there. If we can come down there, we're going to test down there. But this is not telling me a lot. We can't trade what we see here. So what I do is I go now to my hourly candles. I want to see now some hourly support and resistance so I can get into my scalping, okay? So see all these yellow lines? These are daily zones, okay? Daily support and resistance. But now we're going to trade, we're going to move into scalping. So I look for key hourly levels right here. I'll change the color to white for hour, okay? So you see up here, when this hourly candle came up here, got rejected. This one broke through, impulse break, but came back down. This previous hour, 8 a.m. when we started the call, got rejected right there. And then here's the candle we're trading right now, 9. This is the new hourly candle, 9 a.m. Eastern. This will go to 10 a.m. Can we come back up to 35,112 and break above there and go up to 130? Okay, we will see. Or are we going to get rejected up here and it's going to continue to drop? Next area it could go up to is 35,147. I would bump that up to 150. I love those psychological numbers. Okay, right there. And next area is a yellow line, 164. That's daily resistance. If it breaks above there, then next hourly zone is 35,196, 35,200, whole numbers, okay? If we break now, bearish, if it reverses and comes back down here and it breaks the daily low, then we're going to come down to 35,039, okay? That's all I need right now, okay? And then when I go to my 5-minute candles now, I don't need to flip-flop from my candle time frames, go to daily, 1 hour, this, that. I can see everything. 5-minute candles now are trading. They're coming down to daily support. They came down and they picked up momentum. Now we're consolidating right here, okay? This is an accumulation distribution zone right here. See, a lot of the price action is trading in this zone right now, okay? Right in there. So for me, this area of consolidation is a no trade zone, okay? I like to trade if I see momentum go up or if I see momentum go down, okay? So, and then I have 5-minute key key levels. So there's my 5-minute key support level. If this thing can break, we could potentially come down to here. I could look for a sell possibly down here. Just like how we did with gold, okay? And then where can this thing come down to? I'll tell you where it could come down to. If we break that daily support, we're going to come down to the white line hourly. If we break the hourly, it's going to come down to 35,021. Our next 5-minute area. Here's another 5-minute area. And here's my other 5-minute support area, okay? So I can kind of see where I could take profits down there, just like we did with gold. So the key area for a break we're looking for is right here. 35,073, okay? But we could have an impulse candle breaking down, and we could also, we're looking for the confirmation. Volume to close below that area, a retest, and come down, okay? And look at the 5 minutes. It's coming right back to test the 50 RSI. We could break. Here it comes down, okay? And for if it reverses and goes bullish, I'm going to look for a buy above this area. And guys, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. We're here for education purposes. Trade at your own risk with your account, guys. We offer education and trade ideas, guys, okay? But I don't tell you where to buy and sell. I just give you trade ideas, okay? And I'm also trading live, guys. Okay, so that's kind of the US30 setup that I like right now. Okay, let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Is US30 going to be bullish or bearish here? Rafi, what's my RSI length? I keep it default 14, 14-day period, 14. I keep it all default, all standard, 14. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate that. We're very transparent, guys. We got nothing to hide. You know what I mean? I'm not doing crazy, crazy lot sizes. I got nothing to prove to you guys. I don't need to trade with 10 lots and 20 lots and prove something. I trade with one, two lots. You know, I used to trade with 5, 10 lots, but I don't need to do that anymore, guys. I'm doing a lot here. I'm multitasking. I'm answering questions. I'm trading live. You know, so I can't get into trades with 10 lots and some people can do it. Some live traders can do it, and all the respect to them. You know, I got all the respect in the world to them. But I've done those trades in my life. You know, I don't need to do that again. So I feel comfortable with like one lot. You know, it's good risk management from my account. I make 30 pips, 300 US dollars. That's a good trade. You know, it's a good trade on any day. Okay. Dave and I are discussing what we're going to do. Right now, we're doing some Tokyo sessions with the snipers in the Zoom room. But we're going to talk this week, and maybe we're going to go back to 2 sessions on YouTube again. So Dave and I are just gonna we'll discuss it this week. But right now, it's just we're doing New York right now. But it could change, guys. It could change. We're just testing out a few things. Okay, so see how now it's breaking down here? It's coming down into our area, okay? This is the new candle that just opened up about just over a minute ago. So again, this could be an impulse candle. But again, if we're waiting for the confirmation, we got to wait for the volume to close on this candle, okay? Mohammed, thank you for your subscribe, Habibi. Thank you, bro. DTS, loving every session. I grow confidence with what I'm learning and seeing and starting to pile up some bananas. Nice, bro. Yes, Luca, we look at fundamentals, technicals, psychological, every aspect of trading. We look at it all. We do follow Forex Factory for fundamental news to give us the volatility. But we scalp the markets through technicals and price action. And we also use the psychology of the markets. Yes, absolutely. That's the triple threat: technicals, fundamentals, and psychology of trading. And I love it. We got a troll in the house, guys. Mash FX. Let's welcome him. He says live trading versus live commenting. So maybe he just got on the call. But Mash FX, if you join our free Telegram group, this was the gold trade I just did live for 30 pips, standard lot, 300 US dollars, and there's my commission of 450. Okay, $4.50. So once in a while we get these guys, but I am live commenting and live trading as well, brother. Yes, we do it all here. Nabil, thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you, guys. Yeah, guys. Dominic, no worries, bro. Yes, guys, we're not a copy paste group. Okay, understand that. This is not copy paste. If you guys are looking for copy paste trades, there's a million Telegram groups out there and there's a million YouTube channels out there. Copy paste over there. This is an education platform, free education on YouTube. If you want to learn all about scalping and price action and the way how price action works, then this is the channel. If you're looking for copy paste and if you're looking for me to tell you to buy and sell here, I don't do that. Dave doesn't do that. We give trade ideas. I'm trading myself, but I'm not here to babysit you guys and tell you buy here, sell here. I don't want to do that. I want you guys to learn how to trade. You guys need to learn a financial education, guys. Okay, what good does copy pasting do? Yeah, it might be good for a couple days, and what happens if that guy is gone? Then who are you gonna, then you're looking for the next guy you can copy paste. You're not learning anything. Okay, we want to really teach you how to trade. Why is that so hard for people to understand on these calls? Why is it so difficult? Maybe it's because it's free education. Is that the problem? You know, but at the end of the day, don't really give a shit, you know? Sometimes these trolls get to me, but fuck it. You guys control all you want. The proof is right there. How much more transparent can I get? I took the trade on gold, 1838, 1797, $300. There's my commission fee, okay? Not sure how much more transparent it can get. If we go back to the gold, XAU there it is. There was my sell entry right when we started the call, 15 minutes into the call. It's here. I had it all mapped out. Sell. And then I took my profits there. Maybe I took premature too early and it continued to drop. Oh well. I'm happy with $300 at the end of the day, you know, because I stick to my rules. I have daily pip goals and things like that, you know. But whatever, guys. Gapo Goods, thank you for your subscribe. Appreciate it. Okay, so look at US30 right there. That's the impulse candle breaking down, guys. Here's our retest candle. So see how we close below daily support right there, 35,053. We close below. Here's the retest candle coming up, retesting right here on US30. Okay, so guys, if you're trading those impulse candles, that move on that impulse candle from there to there, it's a nice one, guys. It's 20, 25, 26 pips, okay? So that's a good impulse candle, guys. That was why it was a key area. It was the 5-minute support break right there where I had that red line. Okay, 35,073. It was a 5-minute support break. You see it coming down bearish, okay? But this is the continuation candle, okay? So it's coming up, it's retesting. Yellow line, what is it? It was my daily support turned into resistance now because price action is below it. Hopefully we can continue to come down. And this white line, 35,039, that's 1 hour support. If we can break that, we're breaking the neckline right here. And we could come down to possibly 35,020 area. Yeah, Abdulaziz, yeah, I'll ignore, bro. I'll ignore. Natasha Love, thank you, thank you. Um, yeah, guys, let's ignore all of us. Let's ignore the trolls, guys. Let's focus on trading. Okay, we're gonna go for like another 45 minutes, guys. So let's close this session really good. Yeah, guys, and just to go over those copy paste signal groups, we have a lot of members that are signing up with us, and they're coming from copy paste signal groups, and they've lost a lot of money. And that's not what we want. We want to help you learn how to trade so that you can make money and learn what you're doing. Okay, I never was a copy paste trader. I never went into those groups. I want to learn how to trade. What the hell would I want take other people's trades for? What's the point of that? You know. I don't know. Everyone is different. Could be laziness. Maybe some people don't want to take the time to learn this. You know, maybe they're just lazy. That's the lazy way out. And half the time you don't even know who your traders are. Your guys that you're giving the signals. How do you even know who they are? You know, Dave and I are full transparent on our Zoom calls. You get to know us personally. You know. I don't know how much more it can get than that. But whatever. I'll enjoy my coffee over here. And to 324 viewers, guys, thank you guys so much. Wow, I think that's a record for us, right? No, I think Dave had it last week. But amazing, guys. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate all of you guys. Do you only trade on New York session? Matthew, no, you are new here. We trade all sessions. We trade New York. We trade Tokyo. Bonus London sessions. We do all sessions. That we used to do 3 sessions in like 2-3 weeks ago. We were doing New York, London, and Tokyo all on YouTube. But now we limited it now to New York. We might be adding a few more Tokyos on YouTube. But guys, if you want to join the mentorship sniper team for $1 a day, $29.99. You're welcome to join. We do a lot of things in the Zoom, webinars, tutorials. You get in the chat room, trade ideas, and things like that. We scalp Nasdaq. Yes, I should have got to the Nasdaq chart, guys. We went from gold to US30. There's only so many charts we can do, guys, in like a 90-minute, 2-hour session. Okay, I'm not a guy that likes to flip-flop 10 different charts because I trade price action. I like to follow what price action is doing. But I can go through a list of charts for you guys and chart them, absolutely. But when I'm following a pair, I like to follow the price action. Yeah, Toom, over 300 in the room speaks for itself. Thank you. Absolutely, I agree with you. Thanks, guys. Epic Baba, I look young, but hey, I'm 39, bro. Come on. Maybe the beard makes me look old, but I'll get my beard lined up. I'll look younger. Bell, thank you. Ariel, where did I start learning trading? I started to learn how to trade by trading penny stocks when I was 18, 19 years old, having no idea what I was doing. I had to pick up a telephone and call my bank to place a trade. That's how ghetto it was back in the day. You know how much it cost me to place a trade? $50. You had to pick up a telephone and call your bank to place a trade. That took 10, 20 minutes to even get somebody on the phone. And before you know it, your trade was just going all over the place. I had no idea what I was doing. I had no friends, no one to talk to about trading. Everyone said trading is, you're going to lose all your money, which is true. If you don't know what the hell you're doing, yeah, you are going to lose your money. But when you learn the technicals, the fundamentals, the psychology of how the markets work, you can make money. Okay, there is a lot of profitable traders out there, okay? And there is a lot of losers, yes, but they fail to learn, okay? And I can't say anything about that. If you don't put the time to learn, yeah, you're setting yourself up for failure with anything you do in life. If you don't learn what you're doing, you're gonna fail, okay? Why should it be any surprise in the markets? Oh man, M Malkut, that's amazing. You unsubscribe to all the services and now only watch this channel. We'll subscribe to yours today. Amazing, bro. You know how much that means to us hearing that, bro. Respect to you. That's awesome. Where are we based out of? We're based out of Ontario, Canada. Ontario, Canada. So shout out to all the Canadians in here. This is Ontario, Canada, proud over here. Okay, guys, so just following US30, we came down. Again, it's at a daily support resistance area. So you're going to see, even down here, last time we came down here, look at all of the indecision we had down here. That's where you can trap this type of price action. Okay, see, last time we came down here, we had some indecision, then finally it rotated right back up. It's coming down. We could get some consolidation in here and it could rotate right back up, or it could start to break down and come down bearish. It already dropped for 25 pips on that red candle, and now these are like the retest candles. So what could happen is it could come right back up to this area, 35,072 and test this area for resistance. If it starts to get rejected there, then we could come down, make a new lower high, and could come down and break this support, and we could see US30 drop further. Okay, so I'll leave the US30 for now. Let's just go back to gold, and then I'll also do Nasdaq 30 or Nasdaq 100. Okay, because we're getting close to 9:30 a.m. New York Stock Exchange is going to open up, and we do get crazy volatility when that happens. But gold, guys, gold found a bottom down here, all the way down to just below 1795, and we're starting to move up a little bit. Okay, so this is the area that it might want to come back up to. This was that accumulation distribution zone, but it could also come up and continue to make a lower high and go down. But let's chart right now Nasdaq really fast, guys. So I'm going to do this one quickly so that we don't miss the NYSE open. Okay, so I'm going to go to the daily, okay, like I normally do. What happened with Nasdaq yesterday? Okay, so Nasdaq, we have all-time highs right up here. This is daily candlesticks, guys. If you want to follow me, these are daily. Okay, this is the daily outlook. We got up to all-time high, 15,711 up there. Okay, that's our all-time high. And we kind of retraced a little bit yesterday. Yesterday was a hanging man daily candle. So it was bearish, came all the way down, but near the end of the day we had buying momentum and it closed right here. It closed at 15,671. That's a hanging man candle. There is still some selling pressure, but we do have buying momentum at the bottom. Today's candle was bearish. We opened up, came up here, made a lower high, and continued to come down right back down to yesterday's support level. Again, we got some buying momentum, but we do have a small bearish volume. So it's a spin top candle. Indecision on Nasdaq right now. Okay, so let's see here. If we break that low, we could come down to here. If we break yesterday's and today's low right here, 15,607, we could potentially come down to 15,559. Okay, we lose that, we can come down to 522. So you're seeing what I'm doing. I'm looking at volume on the daily candles and also the wicks. Like they say, wicks don't lie. It's the truth. Okay, wicks don't lie. If we do break above 711 and we make new all-time highs, traditionally we go up by 100 pip increments. So we would go up to 15,800. Okay, I could chart that up there, 800. And but before it gets up there, it might want to go to 850, psychological 850, or sorry, 750. Okay, so it came up. We're in we're in an uptrend. Yes, we are, daily uptrend on Nasdaq, but it is starting to get some resistance and we're starting to get some selling pressure. RSI is overextended on the daily. We're in overbought territory, but that doesn't mean anything. It could continue to go up if it wants. Okay, you can't fight RSI, but we got to chart price action. So I'm going to go now to hourly candles. Okay, so hourly candles right here. This is our hourly. Go white. Okay, and also where's our resistance in the last few hours? Right here. Okay, so I can see that the hourly candles are trading in this range. That's all we got, from 679 to 559. Okay, it's not bad. It's a 100 pip range, like a daily range, but we need volume. See how they're thin body indecision candles. Price action doesn't even know where it wants to go for Nasdaq, but if we do break out, it could come up to here. Okay, 688. If we go bearish, we could come down to here. The reason why I select this area is because there's a lot of body to bodies, a lot of wicks right here. That's a good support level. If we break below there, it could come down to 637. Okay, and then I use this as I'm scalping to see if we're going to break key levels. Okay, higher time frame. Now I go to my 5-minute candles. Guys, we're about 3 minutes out from NYSE open. So 1 second, let me just finish this. Okay, there's 5-minute resistance right up there. We got 5-minute support level right in here. Here's our daily resistance. If we break below there, it could come down to here. And if we break bullish, we could come up to this area. And then you break that hourly level, look left, we're going to come up to here. Okay, 5 minutes. So I know exactly like where to take profits on my 5 minutes if I get into a trade on this pair. Okay, so there's a lot of accumulation distribution going on right in this area. To me, I don't trade this area. I observe, I see what's going on, and I like to trade above and below the areas with confirmation. So I'm looking for a possible sell entry down in this area and potentially come down to down over here. Okay, so let's take a look at this area. Oh wow, let me just look at US30, guys. US30 is running. I'm in the trade. US30 is breaking down. Look at the US30 breaking down, guys. Okay, okay, US30 selling, consolidating, rejecting, coming down. Okay, let's see how far this US30 can go down to. And remember, guys, get ready because the market's going to open. We can have extreme volatility. If you are in a trade, just watch your trades. Okay, we got about 20 seconds, and then we're going to have New York Stock Exchange open, guys. Okay, see how they flipped that? Okay, so it flipped, could be a fake out candle. Okay, so if you're in a trade, that's why I told you guys, just keep an eye. Always, if you're in a trade before New York Stock Exchange 9:30 open, it could flip on us. Okay. And guys, just to show you guys, if you can flip over real quick to the Telegram group, come to the Telegram group. There's my US30 sell. US30 sell. I took it's $10 a pip. The way it works with Fusion, I sold at 35,045. I took it down to 28. Okay, 17 pips. There's 170 US dollars live trading. Okay, I don't get charged trading NAS 100 or US30, but there it is. Full transparency, guys. So I had 300 on gold, 170 on that. So almost $500 US right now, live trading with you guys, okay? So if anyone wants to say, am I just charting or talking? No, we're live trading, guys. Okay, look at the indecision. And it came up, okay, and came right back down. So that there's always going to be, always, guys, always going to be crazy volatility at 9:30, okay? The New York Stock Exchange is opening up. There's going to be crazy volatility. Whatever you guys are trading, US30, Nasdaq, gold, GBPUSD, GJ, anything, guys, there's going to be some crazy volatility. What it is could be a lot of head fakes, fake you out, make it look like it's going to go bullish, then go opposite direction, make it look like it's going to go bearish, and then they flip it and go back up, okay? But this one looks like they want to move the market down. It came up, grabbed some liquidity, and it's coming down. But still early, guys. There's 3 minutes left on the candle. It's hard to say. That's why just patience, discipline, guys. Relax. Wow, 350 viewers, guys. Thank you guys so much. Awesome. Good stuff, guys. Um, Wow, okay. So it's dropping, guys. Next drop could come down to here, okay? My next area is 34,966. Guys, 35,000. This is that psychological level. We could get buyers coming in here at psychological 35,000, or we could continue to push down, okay? So you got to watch this volume here. Oh, man. That had crazy volatility. I got out at $170 again, but I didn't want to be in a wild trade right before New York Stock Exchange. Okay, I got in for a quick scalp, 17 pips in and out, but it's dangerous to be on the opposite side of a New York Stock Exchange open, okay? Because it could easily flip, and you see some calls when there's news and big impact, they can go up 100 pips. So, guys, I'm a very humble trader. I don't get greedy. Like this call is almost 500 US dollars. That's great for me. You know what I mean? What else can you ask for? Fibonacci, I trade off my phone. I'm a mobile trader. I'm a mobile trader. Okay, I trade everywhere on my phone. If I go to the grocery store, if I'm taking my kids to school, I'm on my MT4 on my phone. I just got so used to it. I don't like desktop trading. I don't. I like charting with TradingView, but I like trading on my phone. I don't know. Maybe I'm different than some people. Who knows? Some people love trading on desktop, and they don't understand how people trade on their phone. But I'm not knocking anybody. Whatever personal preference, whatever is best for you. I'm not telling you to trade on the phone. I'm not telling you to trade on desktop. Whatever is your personal preference. What I'm trying to show you is look at the extreme volatility of this candle. Came all the way up here, came all the way down here. 35,000 psychological level, and then it's right back up 47 pips. Do you guys see the extreme volatility, guys? Okay, so that's why I exited the trade with $170. I was happy with that. Okay, I don't want to play games with this type of candle. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's insane. Gold, it came back up, okay, and then it's getting held down here and could be coming down, forming a double bottom down here. We'll see if it breaks down and continues, or if it's going to reverse and come right back up, okay. So Nasdaq, wow, holy fuck, guys, look at Nasdaq. Oh shit, see, I missed this one. But if you guys got in 15,660, oh my god, Nasdaq is bleeding, guys. Nasdaq is bleeding. Wow, it might come down to daily support 608 down here, guys. Oh my goodness. Please tell me some of you guys got in on this sell on NASDAQ. Oh my goodness. Right after we charted it, too. Fuck. This was crazy, guys. Okay. I did not get in NASDAQ. No, I didn't have time, guys. I didn't have time. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I had it marked here. 659, guys. The break right there. Oh my god. And this was a clean break at 9:30 in the morning. All the way down there, guys. 38 pips, guys. 35, 38 pips. Wow. Nice move. Uh, do we trade Do you trade binary options? We're getting into binary options, so exciting stuff is coming. Armani, shouts out to our sniper member Armani. I didn't know too much about binary options, and he's showing us what it's all about, and I love it, man. Wow, we can trade like 15-second candles, like it's unbelievable. So guys, we might have some binary options coming live for you guys, okay? But we just got to figure it out with the brokers and things like that. Find out which is the best broker and things like that. But yeah, shout outs to Armani, bro, for the binary options. Yes, we will be getting into that, guys. Lots of exciting things coming up, guys. Hey, Rod, I do everything you're taught not to do in the Forex. Hey, if you're comfortable making money off your phone, make money off your phone. No one is here to tell you you got to sit at your desktop all day. Sometimes I'm cutting the grass, and I got MT4. I'm looking what's going on. I got my support resistance zone set up. I'm scalping 5 minute, 1 minute candles. That's what the beauty of trading, guys. It's the 21st century, guys. You can trade anywhere on this planet with all you need is Wi-Fi and a phone or some internet. That's it. Those old school days of sitting at a computer are over, guys. Wow, 357 viewers, guys. Amazing, amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Sharif, do I use buy sell stops? Not all the time. No, I'm not a fan of those because I follow price action. If I have like a buy stop and then it triggers, what if that's just an impulse candle that triggers and then it goes opposite direction? So you could be a victim of that. So I trade price action. So I'm always watching 1, 3, 5 minute candles. So I use market executions. I watch my spread when I'm getting in and things like that. But if you use buy stops, sell stops, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just once they trigger, you're in the trade, and you could trigger on an impulse candle. So that's the only negative aspect of using buy sell stops. Hopefully that makes sense, bro. Sharif. Wow, $38 cooker life on Nasdaq. Amazing. Ricardo, thank you for the subscribe, bro. We appreciate it. Guys, I'm just trying to follow the chat, guys. So I'm just gonna go through it real quick. Okay, guys. So let's get back to it. Okay. So Nasdaq, big break. Hopefully some of you guys caught that. We were on the other chart, but I charted it just before 9:30 open. You saw it coming down bearish. That was the key level. That was hourly, guys. White line, hourly support break right there. 659, 658 right there, and it was just a clean candle coming down. Okay, but now we're getting support down here and it's coming up. But let's go back to US30. Wow, look at the reversal on US30, guys. Holy. Okay, so US30 reversing hard up here. Okay, so this is the big strong candle reversing from down here 35,050, coming all the way back up to this area we have highlighted, 35,114. We got 30 seconds left on the candle, guys. Do you see the volatility now, how the markets have opened up? Okay, so what we need out of this candle is volume to close above this area, and maybe we can get continuation going to the upside, back up to possibly this next daily resistance, 35,163. But guys, it is extreme volatility, guys. You gotta understand, the markets have opened up. Okay, it's not little 5-10 pip moves anymore. They're big moves. So if you're trading, you're taking trades, guys, understand your lot size. Don't over leverage your account with this type of volatility. Things can get dangerous here, you know. So just careful, guys, careful. Okay, so this is the retest coming, and now it's going up, targeting this area 165 on the daily resistance. But the RSI is starting to creep up to the 70 level. It's starting to go into an overbought area, but this thing could continue to push. Look, we have not been up in this area for quite a bit, so we'll see what happens up here. It could reverse. Oops. Just get this out of there. Okay, see the reversal. Okay, so it came up, it hit 150 exactly, guys. This white line, hourly resistance 35,150, and it's coming down. We got a spin top candle, guys. The markets are really volatile right now. Okay, so just heads up, if you guys are trading, watch your lot sizes, guys. It's not like trading a slow session. Now that they've really opened up, guys. Okay, gold is continuing to drop. Look at gold. Oh my goodness, gold is continuing to break hourly support. Next one, our next daily support is right here, 1791.80. Okay, this is our next daily support. If I take you to the daily candles and show you what's going on here, look at the daily candle. Okay, so this was today's daily candle. It was very bullish. London session, going up to 1801, and look at the long rejection wick on the daily coming all the way down here. Now it's a pin bar. If this body breaks right here, 1793, this white hourly, our next daily support is right there, 1791. We could see gold coming down bearish again. Look at the daily candle. Huge rejection up here coming down. Okay, so that's gold on the daily. There's always money to be made in these markets, Hussein. Always money to be made, guys. Just be smart with it, okay? Don't get greedy. Be smart. Don't over leverage your accounts. You guys want to trade to see another day. It's easy to over leverage your account. And some traders yesterday on the call were saying they don't trade with a stop loss, and I thought they were crazy. How can you not? How can you trade with no stop loss? You could one drop, 1 minute, 2 minutes could be a 50, 100 pip drop, and your account is wiped out depending on how much you have. But guys, I don't teach that. We teach proper risk management, account management. We have tutorials strictly based on how to place a stop loss on whatever time frame you're trading, whether it's a daily, 4 hour, hourly, 5 minute candle. I use stop losses, um, Look at it, okay? So US30 coming up to this yellow line, 35,165. That's that daily resistance. We could start to see some selling pressure up here. If it wants to break, it could come up to 35,193, okay? A-Rod, I get this question a lot. How many trades do I take a day? I scalp the markets. I don't have a set number. Like if I do 3, 5, 10 trades, that I'm done. I just have like a daily goal, daily pip goal. I have a daily like dollar amount that I hit, and whether it takes me. But if I see the markets are moving and they're nice for scalping, I don't really count how many times I trade. I'm a scalper, so some days 5 trades, some days 10 trades, other days if I'm doing multi sessions. Okay, when I was doing YouTube a couple weeks ago, I was doing Tokyo and London with you guys. So you got to understand, if I'm doing multi sessions, there's going to be multiple trades. So good question, bro, but I don't really have just like, if I hit 3 trades, I'm done for the day. I have daily pip goals, and like right now I've hit 50 pips on this call, $500 US. I'm done trading right now. Like I don't need to overtrade. If I see a nice play, I'll take it. But to me, this play, we missed the buy. The buy was down here. Here was your retest. I don't like chasing the top. Okay, I'm not a FOMO trader, fear of missing out. I am. I'm not one of those guys that just buys because I see a green bullish candle. I follow technicals. I could be looking for a pullback very soon on this play. We're reaching daily resistance. I have another hourly and daily resistance up here. RSI is starting a little bit to get overextended up here. It could run again a little bit more. Then I could be looking for some divergence, and maybe I could scalp a pullback, things like that. But to just buy up here, you're kind of late on the trade. So I just sit back. I'm patient. I'll wait. I'm a sniper, guys. So I'll wait for my entries. I don't chase, guys. You guys probably know on these calls, I don't chase trades. This trade is already overextended. If you look from where it broke out from down here, I'm not even including the pin where they pinned it down here. Okay, they pinned it at 35,000. It's already up almost 180 pips from where they pinned it. This was at 9:30 open. Okay, if you're looking to trade up here, it's already up 180 pips. How much more can this thing go? Do you know what I mean? Gold, guys. Oh, is gold dropping? Okay, gold, it came right, look at where it came down to, guys. See the yellow line? 1791. That's our daily support, guys. So, see why I have these kind of color coded? I don't need to always flip to my daily candles. I don't need to flip to my hourly. I see it broke hourly support right there, and look at it just dropping. Now we're breaking below daily support. Where could it go? I gotta look left, guys. Below this yellow line, look how far back I'm going. 5 minute candles all the way over here to find out where this thing can drop. I'm at August 27, 9:30 a.m. guys. This is New York Stock Exchange open on August 27. I'm gonna tell you guys where this could come down to right now. This is price action, guys. So I'm always looking left. Now there it goes. See where it could go? Look, it's hitting all these take profit zones. Okay. Wow, gold, guys. Oh man. Look at it just coming down. Here, next one is right here, 1787. Next one, guys, here's our next daily support, 1785 on gold. Holy shit, guys. Wow, guys, this gold is just tanking. Tanking, guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I wish I left a runner. Oh, my God. Man. Look at that, guys, okay? Broke down, pull back, swing high. They kept it low resistance and brought it down. Broke below hourly support, retest, dropping. Oh my goodness. This might come down to support level 1785, guys, on the daily. Unbelievable, guys. Okay. That's a big drop, guys. Sunny, thank you for the subscribe. We appreciate you, brother. Look at RSI. To all those RSI traders on gold, it's down to 22. Okay, this thing could continue to come down. Okay, so don't just hit because it hits 30 a buy. Follow price action. Follow it how it's breaking below key levels, guys. US30 is starting to retrace. Okay, we got a shooting star candle coming down now. But I'm not over trading, guys. That's good enough for me, guys. Gold is melting. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. There's many stock sniper trading FX Telegram groups. Which one is legit? The one that we post in this chat. That's the one that's legit. If people are copying, guys, there's nothing we can do about that. Just the one that we post in the chat is the real Telegram group. Okay, it's this one right here. You can see we have 754 subscribers. This one, Stock Sniper Trading FX. Okay, and you can see the trades I took today. There's 300 on the gold sell. Here's 170 on that quick US30 scalp. This is where we got different countries around the world learning on our website. All of these, look at all these flags of the world showing the culture of the sniper team. There's the US30. Okay, guys? That's why, guys, when it's coming to daily levels, it already made a move of 180 pips, maybe 200, yeah, 185, and now that's like the retracement you're looking for, okay? And you can grab some pips, guys. That's why. That's what I was saying. Never buy the highs. If guys, I saw in the chat, guys are saying, can I buy US30? Can I buy US30? No, you don't want to buy the highs. What are you doing up there, okay? You want to look for a possible retracement up here. Okay, wow, gold. Oh my goodness, guys. Next daily support on gold is 1779, guys. Holy shit. This is a gold breakdown, guys. Gold breakdown. Remember I showed you that daily candle on gold, guys? Take a look at it now. Oh my goodness. Look at the daily candle right here. Okay, look at this. Coming all the way down. Big bearish daily candle. These were the zones. At the beginning of the call, we identified all these zones where it could come down to. Breaking 1790. There was my next zone, 1785. Here's my next zone, 1778. Okay? If we go below there today, right after this call, it could come down to, holy, 1775 area. Unbelievable. Yeah, guys, just putting out there, guys, don't get scammed by all these fake Telegram groups. They're right here. We don't do any of this stuff, guys. This is not us. This channel, if you're in that, get out of that. Okay. Also, this channel, this is not us, guys. If you're in that, get out of that. This is our channel. This one right here. This is us, the one we post in our link. If you guys are in any of these Telegram groups that claim that they're Stock Sniper Trading FX, get out of there, guys. Unfortunately, this is the shitty part of the Forex industry. There's so much scammers out there. So guys, just heads up, if you're in this group or this group, it is not us, okay? 100% it's not us. Get out of there. Don't lose your money, guys. Don't be stupid, guys. Don't fall for those types of scams, guys. We provide the link on our live calls. That the link is pinned in the chat. That's who we are, okay? Don't be victim of all that shit that's going on out there. That's why Forex is giving a bad name, like from the scammers. You know, that's why it gets, everyone says, oh, you're going to get scammed in Forex. It's because shit like that. It's all these fucking fake groups out there claiming that they're this guy, this guy, this guy. But, you know, I hate that, guys. I hate that. It gives the industry a black eye, guys. You know? And if you're out there and you're copying our fucking channel, you better stop that shit, you know? Can I please call some trades? What have I been doing on this entire call, guys? Do you not see right up here? Like there's a sell coming down, US30. We had it here. Nasdaq. Not sure what else I can do. Nasdaq breaking down right there. Guys, we're not a copy paste group, so I'm not giving guys signals. Okay, if you want those signals, find those Telegram groups. Yeah, I don't think they're going to listen to us, but I'm telling people on the call, if you guys are in these groups, get out of them. For people that are in these groups, this is not us, and this is not us. There's always going to be scammers coming, guys, okay? But this is not us. If you're in there, anyone, 322 of you guys on this call, this is our channel right here. This is our channel. There's 764 subscribers. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wrap up this call. It was an excellent call. I got a conference call in a little bit. But guys, thank you guys for joining. 329 viewers. I appreciate all of you guys. If you want to join the Sniper Mentorship team, guys, this is our website. If you want to check it out, guys, $1 a day. We're not keeping these prices $29.99 for long. We've been having this promotion for a while. These prices are subject to change. If you do sign up, you'll be grandfathered in at this price, $29.99 with us. We will not change that. You get a lot for $1 a day, guys. So if you want to join our latest blog, guys, it's just your email address. You can scroll down to the bottom of our page, there's a lot of education in these blogs here. This was an introduction to Bollinger Bands and Fibonacci retracement sample webinar. You guys can see what type of our webinars are that we give. This was a trade idea Dave gave after his call for approximately 50 pips for gold, and Sniper member hit it for nice 30 pips with a 0.1 lot. Okay, not bad, $30 for his account size. We break it down A, B, C, D. And there's a ton of blogs, guys, okay? Good education in there. It's just scroll down to the bottom of our page. You can join the newsletter right here. Put in your email address and you'll be part of that daily blog. If you want to join some of our social platforms, we are on Instagram, we are on Facebook. Our free Telegram group is the one that we pin in our live channel, guys. It's not those other fake scam groups. If you do join the team, guys, this is our tutorial section. We update daily. So this is the 52-week course, introduction to pips, lots, leverage, slippage, spreads. What does all that mean? Different order types. You guys were asking me about buy limits, buy stops, sell limits, sell stops, how to place proper stop losses on different time frames that you're trading. Introduction to candlestick. We have our own little candlestick group that we made with like 20 to 23 most important candles you need to know for scalping. They're all broken down in tutorial videos. They're about 10-12 minutes long. Then we go over support and resistance, uptrends, downtrends, chart patterns, reversal patterns, M&W, head and shoulders. We break down technical indicators like Bollinger Bands, RSI, MACD, stochastics, different strategies, how to trade. Then our webinars, guys. We had a webinar yesterday. We're having another webinar tomorrow at noon, and we go over a lot of stuff. Like the last few webinars, we did reversal chart patterns, swing and position trading. So we don't just trade on 5-minute candles, guys. We trade live on 5-minute, but if you want to learn how to trade weekly, daily, 4-hour, hourly candles, you want to swing position intraday or hold overnight, we can teach you the technicals of how to trade that. Yesterday we had one on like impulse and retest confirmation candles. So all the webinars are on there, guys. If you missed them, they're recorded and uploaded to the website. So tons of content, a lot of education for you guys to learn. We would love to have you on the team. It's $1 a day, $29.99 a month. The team is growing really, really fast. We would love to get to know you guys. But everybody that's on YouTube, we appreciate you guys. Thank you for everybody for the subscribes. We appreciate that. And thank you for everyone for the likes. I hope you enjoyed today's call. I hope you learned and earned today. And have a great day, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.